I've changed a new burr for this grinder, so inside is new, and I will show you exactly what to do when you change a new burr. So, fresh coffee in. The first step is you need to grind a little bit of coffee because the chamber inside is completely empty. Now we'll clean up all the coffee residuals, ground coffee, everything's empty. So you need to first grind a little bit of coffee, make sure all the crevices is filled with coffee first. So you like to grind a little bit of coffee, test the grind size. It should feel like it is a very fine sand. If you don't get that, you can change the calibration, the coarse and finest setting. So that's the first step. The first step is feel. The second step is weight. So have a scale. Bear in mind that most of the scale is not that accurate. So take it plus minus 1 gram. So I'm going to set this grinder to 18 grams. So first I'm going to put a manual shot, 18 grams. Okay, so now it's 18 grams. What I need next is water filter. If you can, have a funnel so that it doesn't create a mess. Pour everything into the funnel, and you should have your coffee around that level. After that, temp. And make an espresso. Then check the extraction time to see how it goes. This is how you test the grind size and you set the grind size. Each time you change the blade, you may need to do your calibration, your dialing for your grinder again.
Goodbye. And this is fine. Right? Goodbye. And this is fine. Goodbye. Please subscribe.